New York Knicks! Man, 2-0 na, no? Nandito ako sa parking lot. I wanna give my quick, full reaction of the game without looking at the stats, just remembering the game. It was a heartbreak for Wembanyama and the San Antonio Spurs. Biruin mo, first 2 games sa San Antonio, hindi sila nanalo kahit isa. And all the odds maker, including ikaw, ako pala, mali. No? We felt and maraming nagsabi na lamang ang San Antonio Spurs dito, pero lamang na lamang na ang New York Knicks. And I think the odds is gonna be different now. Yung akala mo na San Antonio Spurs, I mean, from the start of the yung Western Conference, laging sinasabi natin na sila ang magcha-champion, but New York Knicks showing grit. But before that, no, sabihin ko sa inyo bakit nanalo ang New York Knicks. Sabihin ko rin sa inyo kung bakit natalo ang San Antonio Spurs. Hindi po si Wemby ang nagpatalo. Although siya sana ang magpapanalo. Just make sure, tingnan nyo yun ha. Wemby will be a star. Wemby is an alien. Wemby is still young. He's still gonna develop into a bigger star. But in the first 2 games in these playoffs, he is a star but not yet that kind of superstar na consistent. Experience will help him, and this series is helping him. I mean, unang-una, no, kala natin, maraming sabi, okay, nga tinalo nila New York Knicks pa. And that's where we're all wrong. New York Knicks is proving to everyone that the grit, the focus, determination, and experience is just it's just something different. Anyway, going back to the point, Wembanyama had the last shot. He will remember that forever. He missed that one. It was a chance to tie the series. And 2-0 na ngayon. So, but it's not his fault. Not him alone, no? Although, let me know how agree ka dito. I would have given that to parang mas gusto ko pa ibigay kay kay De'Aaron Fox. By the way, salamat sa NBA on Prime. May jacket na binigay sa akin yung NBA on Prime. Thank you so much, NBA on Prime. Anyway, the point is, hindi pwedeng si Wemby lang. De'Aaron Fox play well, but the other teammates kulang. And that's the reason kung bakit sa tingin kong nanalo ang New York Knicks. Nanalo ang New York Knicks. I think 4 players in the starting lineup except for Josh Hart na 0 point. Scored 21-20, including Jalen Brunson, si Mikal Bridges, si Karl Anthony Towns, si Anunoby. They all contributed, and I mean, there's no I in Knicks figuratively. Literally, there's an I, but you cannot win a championship kung ikaw lang. There's no Michael Jordan. Even itong si Jalen Brunson need his teammate, and that's the thing, no? The teammates also step up. And that is what made San Antonio Spurs lost the game. San Antonio Spurs had a great start. Medyo kumbaga alam mo yung pulso na steady. Yung San Antonio Spurs unsteady. Nagabol sila, which was a bad thing na unahan sila. Nakakasira din kasi ng ng kumbaga nakakaba. So, but nonetheless, now I believe New York Knicks is gonna win. I mean, I don't mind who wins or loses in this game because alam naman na lahat na Celtics ako. I just, of course, I have to pick kung sa sinasling ko mananalo, and I'm learning from this. I'm learning not to underestimate anyone, and the New York Knicks really tough, and great supporters too. Yung kasama ko nga na nanood New York Knicks iba yung tapang, yung angas ng New York Knicks. Now, I don't know, man. It could still happen, but yung argument ko, if the Spurs cannot win in their home court, how can they win in New York Knicks? Maybe they can win 1 or 2, but to win 4 times now, 2 na lang ang kailangan ng New York Knicks. So, firstly, do you agree that hilaw pa si Wemby? And secondly, New York Knicks na ba magcha-champion?